Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to streamline your accounting process and make managing your business finances easier, Xero is the tool you need. Xero is a powerful accounting software designed for small businesses to handle everything from invoicing to tax compliance. Let's walk through how to use Xero to simplify your small business accounting. Let's get started. 1. Setting up your Xero account. To begin, sign up for an account on Xero and select a pricing plan that fits your business. Enter basic information about your business, such as your company name, tax details, and business type. Customize the chart of accounts to reflect your business's financial structure, categorizing expenses, income, and assets. 2. Adding bank accounts. Connect your business bank account to Xero for automatic transaction imports. Xero will securely sync with your bank and categorize transactions to save you time on data entry. You can also manually import bank statements if needed. 3. Creating and managing invoices. With Xero, you can create professional invoices in minutes. Go to the Sales section, select New Invoice, and enter the customer details, products, services, and payment terms. Xero will automatically track the status of the invoice and send reminders for overdue payments. 4. Recording expenses and bills. In Xero, you can record your business expenses by creating bills or uploading receipts directly from your phone. Enter the vendor details, amount, and due date, and Xero will keep track of all your bills so you never miss a payment. Managing payroll. Xero offers a payroll feature that allows you to run payroll, calculate taxes, and pay employees. You can add employees, track their hours, and set up automatic pay slips. The software will calculate tax deductions and ensure compliance with local labor laws. 6. Reconciliation and reports. Reconcile your bank transactions with ease by matching them with the invoices and bills in Xero. Xero will suggest matches, and you can approve or modify them. Use the Financial Reports feature to generate income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports to track your business's performance. HASA 7. Managing taxes. Xero makes tax filing simple by helping you calculate sales tax, VT, and income tax based on your transactions. The software automatically updates tax rates and generates tax reports to keep you compliant. 8. Integrating with other tools. Xero integrates with numerous third-party applications, including PayPal, Stripe, and HubSpot. These integrations help you streamline your business operations and enhance your workflow. Using Xero can take the stress out of accounting for your small business, giving you more time to focus on growing your company. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.